Configuring camera motion detection settings in Stratocast. When the recording type is set to Cloud on Motion, you'll be using motion detection on the camera. To be able to use this recording type, you will first need to make sure the motion detection field is set to Enabled in the camera settings. There are three settings that determine when motion events will be generated. The first is the sensitivity. This is used to control how responsive the camera is to changes in the video image. In some situations, such as low light or solid colored walls, we may have a lot of noise in the image. The sensitivity can be used to reduce how much noise is being considered as a change in the image. Reducing the sensitivity will lower the amount of noise that is considered as motion. However, too low a value will not catch valid motion in the image. The next setting is the Motion Alert On percentage. This is how much of the entire image that must change before motion is considered to have happened. The Motion Alert Off setting is similar, only it indicates the end of motion. For example, looking at our motion graph, the Motion On alert will only be generated when the level of motion in the video passes 12%. If the motion drops below 12%, but not below 5%, the camera will still be in a motion on state. If the motion passes 12% again, it will not send a notification since there has been no change. The only time we consider motion to have ended is when it drops below 5%. If it passes 12% after that, we will receive a new notification that motion is on. To set the motion settings for a camera, click on the Clients button from the Integrator interface and click on the number in the Number of Devices column for that client. This will bring up the list of all devices for that client, including cameras and NAS volumes. Click on the name of the camera you wish to make changes to. From the camera's Edit page, the lower section is for motion detection. To change the values, use the slider bar, the up and down arrows next to the value, or type the value in manually. Make sure the Motion Alert On and Motion Alert Off values are not too close, or the system will never see a change in the motion and the alerts will not be triggered. Click on the Save Changes button when you are finished. The state will change to Updating and then Enrolled when the new values are in effect.